उत्साह का बोलो क्या कहना, उत्साह कम ना पड़ जाए इसलिए ताली बजाते रहना।
Absolutely. The way they moved, so powerful yet graceful. It felt like we were watching a beautiful workout in front of us.
Yes, and we also have to thank Vishwa ma'am and class 4 students. Vishwa ma'am we will thank because guiding them with so gracefully, and we have to thank class 4 students for this performance.
It was just a fantastic way to celebrate dance and fitness together. You guys made it look so easy for us.
Now it's time to hand over the mic to another anchors, Mehak Mehta and Akshara Joshi.
And after that energetic Zumba, we now move to something that's all about grace, poise and beauty. Next, we have a performance that will transport us to the serene and mesmerizing the land of Japan.
Absolutely. The Japanese umbrella dance is one of the most graceful and symbolic dances from Japan. It's not just an performance, it's an experience. The umbrella, which plays the central role in this dance, is more than just an object. It represents elegance, beauty, protection, and even the changing seasons of nature.
Of course, this dance tells us a story with the umbrella. Each step and movement conveys a new narrative, making the dancers feel like they became umbrella themselves.
जापानी छातों के छाँव में बहे प्रेम की बयार, हर नृत्य में छुपा है दिल का एक अनोखा प्यार.
Wow, what a beautiful way to describe it. Here, the umbrella not only protects, but leads the every dancer through every movement. It's almost like they are telling us a story of balance and beauty. No matter the challenges, they remain graceful.
Exactly, the way they move with the umbrella, it feels like the umbrella has a life of its own. Every turn, every wave of the umbrella tells a different story. The fluidity of their movement is what makes this dance so much special.
इस प्रदर्शन के लिए हमें मोनिका श्रीवास्तव मैम का धन्यवाद करना होगा, जिन्होंने क्लास 5 के छात्राओं के साथ इसे तैयार किया है. उन्होंने इस कला को हम तक पहुंचाने के लिए बहुत मेहनत की है.
Yes, truly, it's no easy task to bring this level of discipline and elegance to the stage. So let's put our hands together and welcome the graceful performers on the stage. The stage is all yours.
What a performance! It was absolutely mesmerizing. The way the dancers coordinate with umbrellas, it felt like they were in perfect harmony with nature itself.
Yes, the fluidity of the movement, the gentle swirls, the calmness they brought to the stage. It was like watching a beautiful story unfold. It's one of those performances that stays up with you.
Absolutely, it was like we could feel Japan's tranquility right here. We have seen grace and elegance so far, and now it's time to witness something vibrant and full of energy. Next up, we have a dance that will take us to the Korea, where the fan is not just necessary, but it is an integral part of the performance.
Absolutely. The Korean fan dance is a traditional dance of Korea which uses beautifully decorated fans. These are not just props. They play a vital role in telling story in the dance. It's a dance of color, rhythm and unity.
With the fan, a new story travels. At every turn, a vibrant world unfolds.
Wow, what a beautiful way to describe it. You know, the fan itself is a symbol of elegance and protection in Korean culture. And in this performance, we'll see it transform into the symbol of joy and celebration.
इस डांस फॉर्म में केवल शरीर की गति नहीं बल्कि आत्मा की ऊर्जा भी झलकती है। डांसरों के समन्वित गतिविधि ऐसी लगती है जैसे फैन उनके अस्तित्व का विस्तार है।
Yes, the colors of the fan are themselves so significant. Each and every fan has its own symbolism, representing various aspects of nature, such as sun, moon, and stars.
So without any further delay, let's put our hands together for the performers as they will take us on this beautiful journey of art and culture.
Huge thanks to Tulsi ma'am, who has brought this beautiful piece of Korean culture to life. And let's not forget the class 6th girls who has made this performance so special. The stage is set, the fans are ready, and so we are. So let's put our hands together and welcome the energetic performers on the stage.
I would like to request parents, please be seated.
Wow, what a performance! It was absolutely mesmerizing. The way the dancer moved with fan, it felt like the fan were the part of their own spirit. Such a grace, such a harmony.
Yes, the synchronization, the elegance, the protection, the powerful storytelling. It was like we are watching a beautiful story unfolding.
Now, moving forward, I hope you all are as excited as I am for this next performance. Now, we are about to dive into the Chinese history with Han Dynasty dance.
Oh, definitely. The Han Dynasty dance is a traditional dance of China. It's a window of culture which is thousands of years ago. The amazing part that the dance carries the essence of the ancient civilization of China.
जब हाथ उठते हैं तो कहानियाँ चलती हैं। जब हाथ उठते हैं तब कहानियाँ चलती हैं। हर कदम में एक रंग की बातें पलती है।
वाह, बिल्कुल। ये डांस फॉर्म सिर्फ एक कला नहीं है, ये एक जज्बा है। ये कला, संस्कृति और इतिहास का एक खूबसूरत मिश्रण है।
Now, I'm sure you all are eager to see the magic unfold. So let's put our hands together for the Sapnavara ma'am and class 6 girls who are bringing this stunning performance to life.
Give a big round of applause and welcome the energetic performers on the stage. Over to you, performers.
Don't you want me like I want you, baby?
of our school cannot be expressed in words. Her constant efforts and her love for students have made this institution the best it can be. We express our sincere gratitude to her for her leadership and invaluable contributions. I would like to invite our principal ma'am, Mrs. Upasna Awasthi, to please come on the stage and give our school report to the audience. Please put your hands together for our principal ma'am, Mrs. Upasna Awasthi. From the back side, तालियां की आवाज आ ही नहीं रही है from the back side. Please, जोर से. She is the backbone of the school. Thank you so much, principal ma'am, for coming.
Respected Trustee Sir, Indumati Ma'am, Pratik Sir, and Sona Ma'am, and all other dignitaries, respected parents, and my beloved students. Very good evening to all. Remote is there? Sharma Bird School, we believe on that. Dear parents, we are trying to inculcate, we are trying to nurture our children in such a way so that they can be a responsible citizen of future. Do one thing, you can play from there, okay? It's not working, remote. Next slide. Yes, as the speech of our director sir, as well as by the students, you came to know this is our first ICSE school in Jamnagar, and this year we are completing 10 years. This is really a proud moment, parents. Please give us a big round of applause. Give us all, yes. School with 10 plus years of expertise and proficiency. When the thought came, please go to the next slide. This is our certificate of affiliation and appreciation. Go to the management slide. Next. Our founder trustee, Shri Sagar Sharma sir, when he thought about to establish a school in Jamnagar in 2014, that was not an easy task, parent. Because if we start thinking that time hardly we were having even CBSE schools in Jamnagar. Very few CBSE schools were there. And during that time, if we started thinking and we started planning and executed, that's really a great job. And founder trustee madam Srimati Indumati Sharma, her support is really appreciable. Please give them a big round of applause. Sir, thank you sir for giving us platform for such a wonderful school. Because of your thought, we are here. All parents, teachers, as well as our students. Director sir, Pratik sir, as well as Dr. Sonam Sharma ma'am, they are continuously helping us, supporting us, guiding us how to move ahead, how to work out. And the very important thing is, parent, they are continuously indulge in each and everything. That type of management contribution of time is not observed even in my last 25 years. That is really appreciable, madam. And sir, thank you for your continuous support. Please go to the next slide. School infrastructure, all of you are already aware about it. We are having, definitely when school is there, we must have the facilities which are related to library, IT research lab, science lab, practicals lab, playground. All these things are required, and definitely we give as best as possible for the infrastructure. Go to the next. Yes, here we can see our tiny tots and they are learning in a playway environment. This is playful school. School highlights. Learn as much as you can while you are young, since life becomes too busy later. Dear parents, आपको याद होगा जब आप बच्चे थे, याद है ना? तो एक लर्निंग का जो एंथुजियाज्म होता है वो कुछ ज़्यादा ही होता है, डबल होता है. जो भी चीज़ सिखाओ बहुत जल्दी आती. We learn so easily, we learn so fast. That is what this quote said, that learn as much as you can while you are young enough. Definitely, there is no limit of learning, and we can learn till lifelong period. But we want to provide as much as learning for our students, which will give them a better future. Here, we are going ahead with the school highlights, where we are going to discuss about parent orientation program, teachers workshop and training programs, bridge course, subject enrichment activities, academics, board result, competitions, celebration of festivals and special days, special assemblies, parent and student creativity, major events for student and parent, investiture ceremony and sports highlights and achievement. Parent orientation program, all of you are aware about it. Whenever we start our session, we move ahead with the orientation program. And dear parents, whenever we keep that, we want your complete coordination, cooperation and presence. Because this is the time when we discuss with you about the whole session. What type of things we are going to do, what type of things we did, and what are our plans. So if we think on that, without you parent, our relationship is very important. If we want to think for the successful future of our child, then school, parent and student, there is a triangle of learning and we need to work together. And really I appreciate my parents, they are very much cooperative and supportive. Thank you for your continuous support, parent. Teachers Empowerment Program, here are few glimpses. And sometimes when it is like a packed schedule, and you might have observed many Saturdays were also cancelled to cover up academics. So in that case, we are keeping workshop during Saturdays or extended hours of the school so that teachers can learn more and more. As I said, there is no bar of learning, there is no age. We can learn as much as possible. So definitely our teachers should also be upgraded as per the modern system and technology and as per the new coverage in education field. Bridge course. Whenever we start our session, we start with bridge course, and basically it was very much important. Can I have a silence please? I can observe few children are sitting at the back. Parent enclosure teachers are requested to take care of that as well as parent. I want your attention for some time because this is very important part when we are discussing about something very important, right? Our children are very disciplined. Can I have a silence? Yes, very good. If you can remember the COVID period, it was really a tough time for everyone. And that was very important task from our school which has been done. We started with bridge course as well as nowadays also whenever we feel that there is a bridging required between two classes, so we give certain lectures for such type of periods also so that children can learn more and more and they will not face difficulty in next class. Subject enrichment activities, you are very much familiar with that. Yes, parents? Are you familiar? Yes, child is familiar, but he was little loud. Basically, whenever we are sending you our syllabus, along with that, we are sending till 8th standard subject enrichment activities also. We believe learning is not possible just by bookish knowledge. We need to give them practical knowledge also, how to implement, how to demonstrate. All these things are very important. Here are few glimpses, parent. Hindi activity where children are learning with art integration. Pizza fraction activities. Everybody loves pizza, right? We should not eat more. Sometimes for changing of taste is fine, children. So, but when we teach them with a pizza fraction activity, they get more interest in that. Biology activity, if we see that lungs demonstration, how our lungs work, children have demonstrated such type of things. SST activity, again art integration. Nowadays, even our new education policy also suggests if you integrate the education with art, children are getting more interest. So we are trying to integrate art also as much as possible. Here, freelance activity, we had a day with all our students along with teacher and principal were doing drawing, coloring and all, and we are enjoying a day for celebrating such type of moment which was after examination. So they were also relaxed and free. Academic board result, definitely that is a very important part. And day by day, whatever I am observing, as our school is excelling in that part. We are having in all the classes 10th and 12th, 10th ICSE, 12th ISC, which we have started before 2 years, and 12th state board. We are having 100% result. Parents, please give us a big round of applause because this 100% result is not possible without the continuous efforts of the teachers, student, and the cooperation of the parent. Here we are having certain glimpses like the first ranker crossing by 90 and more than 91. Here nearby 90 in standard 10th also, as well as 94 PR in state board. So here are few glimpses are there, parent. Basically, along with that, if you know nowadays, government has given this registration also. So if the children are scoring more, we are getting better, they are getting better colleges and all. So we are trying to focus more and more on that. And really, as I told every time, we are focusing, we are competing from our states only, and we are looking around what is going on. So we compete and then we move ahead from every year to every year for the better result and for the better future. Certain glimpses of the competition. Here NSO Ashti Bhagwe, she was qualified for the next round, and this year also Olympiad is going on, and many children have been cleared for the second round, as well as first round gold medalist, distinguished performances, and such type of things are there. We have started Olympiad 2 years back, and this is a platform. Parent, suppose the child is not getting anything, any distinguished, at least participation is matter. So please motivate your child for that, and this is really fabulous when you are supporting such type of thing. At least he is getting the platform to compete in district, state, national and international level. So please be cooperative in such type of competitions. Here SGVP, where many states were there, and across more than 50 schools were there to compete in different states, and our children have done fabulous for them. Here certain glimpses of Olympiads. We have also highlighted in social media. One request to the parent, we are having now more than 1,000. But when we see the school post, suppose the school post, your child is not there, but that is your school. You are our family member. So please liking and forward to it. Please share it. Whatever competitions, result, or celebrations, or any such type of things are there, to be active in that part also. We want that. Parent, children can see with you, but parents can go ahead with social media support also. Celebrations of festival and special days. As you know, time to time, as per the festivals, as well as different kinds of special days are there where we are celebrating. And again, such type of celebrations are also very important, where like annual day, last to last year glimpses are here, then yoga day. The children are learning by this also. They must learn our culture, our tradition, as well as they must be incorporated with all-round development. So we are focusing on celebration and special days too. As well as one more thing, sometimes certain our academics will be spoiled. Not at all. We are keeping 0 period for that. We keep 0 period whenever such type of things are there, so that majority of the time academics should not suffer. So we try in that case. Even in L1 function also, last 1 week, more than one period was taken. And that was the 1 month practice of the teacher. And definitely, I would like to appreciate our staff too. They work day and night, their dedication. Please give all the teachers and staff members a give round of applause. They were covering academics, they were covering celebrations and practices too. And if I tell you tomorrow day after tomorrow we are starting with second pre-board also. So 10th and 12th also is not suffered here. So all together everything is going on. Parents and students' creativity. Here we motivate our parents also, especially in pre-primary. Such type of more activities are handled, like suppose Satam Atham is there or Diwali is there. So parents are also doing certain activities, certain creativity, and they are also part of the school system. So thank you parents for your complete cooperation and support. Parents and students' creativity glimpses are here. Myriad events for students and parents. Round of the session, we conduct such type of events also where our parents can involve. Definitely PTMs are there, that is the academic related and certain performances related discussion here. Along with that Navratri, where we feel that as we are family, all of us together can celebrate Navratri. And we see exhibition. Here also our parents, this is a showcase of a student, how they are learning, how they demonstrate their academic areas, and really I got a very good support from the parent side. Almost everyone was there. More than that, even relatives were also there to see how the children are speaking confidently. Even fun fair too. Fun fair recently we did. Here are the glimpses of investiture ceremony. And this type of event, we conduct this type of program, we conduct and we train our students to be a future leader. Here, glimpses of this year, how our children have taken part to be the part of prefectorial board member, and they are doing fabulous job. They attend the duties, they take meetings for other prefects, and they do independently. If independence you can see, today example is there, if you can see how independently they were speaking as anchors. Can you see that? Can you appreciate that? It's not easy. Even in the morning function also, third standard children were speaking in front of the parent as anchors, and they were too confident. And that is what we want. Whatever we want to showcase, we will not showcase just by our speech, by our students, and you are witnessing that thing. National Cadet Corps, NCC. I'm really pleased to announce that, parent, we have already sent messages. We got NCC permission also this year, and our students got sessions too. Defense officers are coming, they are guiding them, they are taking classes, and they are training them to how to move ahead, how to do parade, and many other things are taught. So this is really a proud moment for us. For many years we were trying for that, and definitely it's not easy to get NCC in schools. So a big round of applause all together. Definitely this year we have started with 8th standard. Our children will also go at 8th and 9th. This is 2 years course. And again, this is also not by disturbing the classes. Here are a few glimpses. Sports highlights. Really in sports, this time I would like to appreciate my 2 teachers also, as well as students. They worked hard to make them part in different kinds of levels. Our children have participated from district to national level. And that is what we are recognizing today. After my speech, prize distribution is also there for the students who were there for national level, state level, and for Khel Mahakumbh and Kala Mahakumbh. We can see here certain glimpses. We will be announcing with name and all, and you will come to know about that. It is really appreciable. And even recently, Khel Mahakumbh is going on. Our team is winning in that. First position, somewhere second position. They are going to the next level. Kala Mahakumbh, Khel Mahakumbh, as well as in ICSC competitions. Thank you so much, parent. I will take this much time. I would like to take your further journey towards prize distribution as well as further program, which is the closing ceremony. But before leaving the stage, I would like to tell you, we are working here for our children, We need to work together. As in family, sometimes few things are, every type of incidents happen. We need to cooperate, coordinate, and ultimately our goal should be working hard for the future of our children. So that is what I want continuous support, and really I expect that our parents will be continuously supporting us for the better future of our children. And really today I am having proud while seeing my children when they were speaking confidently. When I had a thought, when I was having this thought, I was thinking, if they will stuck, then what? If they will stop in between, then what? It was not an easy task. This was their training and their parents' continuous support. Thank you so much, everyone. And we are having future visions. Let's move ahead together. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, and especially proud to be a part of this school. That our Sarma family, who constantly guiding and supporting us, that our growth will be continue and continue. Thank you so much and please be a good round of applause for the SB Sarma World School and their achievements. Now, ladies and gentlemen, all you sit together. It is our pleasure to welcome Arun Kumar Singh, the father of Arav Singh, who have graciously taken the time to share the positive experiences and the feedback with our school. Please put your hands together for the Arun Kumar Singh, the father of Arav Singh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sorry to disturb. Parents, please be seated. We will announce that you can pick up your child until you have to be seated till the end of the function. Please, every parents, I need to be seated in their place. And tell your children to not move here and there. Still, the upcoming entertaining performances are still remaining. Thank you so much for your cooperation. Now I hand over this mic to the Arun Kumar Singh.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
कैसे हैं आप लोग? I, Arun Kumar Singh, parents of Arav Singh and Aradhya Singh of class 9th. सबसे पहले मैं एसपी शर्मा वर्ल्ड स्कूल के पूरे टीम को धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं, जिन्होंने मुझे इस मंच पर आमंत्रित किया। मैं विद्यालय प्रशासन और शिक्षकों को भी धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं, जिन्होंने मेरे बच्चों को इतनी अच्छी शिक्षा संस्कार प्रदान किए। मेरा बेटा इस स्कूल का हेड बॉय है। आप सभी ने उसको काबिल समझा। सबसे पहले बात आती है व्हाई वी चूज आईसीएसई। ये एक ऐसा करिकुलम है जो बच्चों को ऑलराउंडर ग्रोथ पे फोकस करती है। एज ए पेरेंट, मैं सबसे पहले इस स्कूल की अच्छी बात ये लगती है, ये स्कूल पेरेंट्स के प्रॉब्लम को सुनता है, समझता है और सॉल्व भी करता है। ये एक प्लस पॉइंट है जो हर स्कूल में देखने को नहीं मिलती है। मैं विद्यालय के विभिन्न गतिविधियों और कार्यक्रम की भी प्रशंसा करना चाहता हूं। इससे नई चीजें सीखने का अवसर मिलता है। मैं इस विद्यालय के प्रिंसिपल मैम प्रतीक शर्मा सर, सोनम सर एंड शिवसागर सर तथा पूरे स्टाफ को धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं, जिन्हें बच्चों को एक अच्छे एजुकेशन के साथ साथ एक अच्छा संस्कार देने का काम किया है। मैं आप सबको प्रतीक शर्मा सर के बारे में एक यादें ताजा शेयर करना चाहता हूं। इस साल टीचर डे के दिन मेरा बेटा आरव एज ए स्कूल डायरेक्टर प्रतीक सर के रोल में था। तो प्रतीक सर ने मेरे बेटे को अपने चेयर पे बैठाकर उसको रियल स्कूल डायरेक्टर की फीलिंग दी। ये काम एक जमीन से जुड़ा हुआ व्यक्ति ही कर सकता है। इस इंसिडेंट ने मुझे बहुत प्रभावित किया। एक बार फिर से स्कूल मैनेजमेंट को धन्यवाद। मुझे उम्मीद है एसपी शर्मा वर्ल्ड स्कूल आगे भी इसी तरह से काम करते रहेगा। धन्यवाद।
Now, again, I would like to invite Rakesh Singh, the father of Shivans and Ritika Singh. Please come on the stage, sir. We are eagerly waiting for your positive feedback and enlightening words for the school of SB Sharma Wall. Please put your hands together for the Rakesh Singh, the father of Ritika and Shivan Singh. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए.
गुड इवनिंग एंड जय हिंद ऑल ऑफ यू. सबसे पहले मैं ट्रस्टी सर को और प्रतीक सर को 10 साल पूरे होने पे मैं बधाई देना चाहूँगा. और स्कूल के बारे में अब मैं क्या बताऊँ, जो आपने देखा वो तो देख ही लिया. प्रत्यक्षम किम प्रमाण, प्रत्यक्ष को प्रमाण की आवश्यकता बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप लोगों ने देखा बहुत अच्छा. लेकिन कुछ चीज़ें मैं अपना परिचय देना चाहता हूँ. मैं एयरफोर्स से हूँ यहाँ पे, लेकिन मैं अपना ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बारे में नहीं बता रहा हूँ. मैं यहाँ पे एज ए पेरेंट हूँ. रितिका सिंह क्लास 3rd C की स्टूडेंट है और शिवान सिंह प्ले ग्रुप में. मैं ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि मैं वहाँ से छोड़ के मैं इस स्कूल में पढ़ाना चाह रहा हूँ. मतलब कि समथिंग इज बेटर, कुछ तो है इसमें जो कि मुझे अट्रैक्ट कर रहा है. और रियली जैसा कि अरुण सर ने बताया कि पेरेंट और टीचर का जो कोऑर्डिनेशन है, रियली मतलब उन पेरेंट्स जो भी चीज़ें बोलते हैं उनको अपने प्रॉब्लम को शेयर करते हैं, टीचर एकदम अच्छे से उसको सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करते हैं और करते भी हैं. जहाँ तक रही टीचिंग के सवाल, टीचिंग में एकदम ट्रांसपेरेंसी है. हमें क्या बच्चों का पढ़ाया गया, किस तरह से उनको एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया जा रहा है, इसमें कहीं कोई हिडन नहीं है. सारा चीज एकदम ट्रांसपेरेंट है. और सबसे बड़ी चीज एजुकेशन तो हर जगह मिल रहा है, हर जगह मिलता रहता है. लेकिन जो यहाँ पे आप लोगों ने देखा एसपी शर्मा वर्ल्ड स्कूल, रियली वर्ल्ड स्कूल ही नहीं है. आपने देखा यहाँ पे कि पूरे वर्ल्ड में हम 2.5 घंटे में घूम के आ गए. रसिया, नेपाल, बहुत जगह घूम के आ गए. आप लोगों ने डांस देखा होगा, हर जगह कल्चर देखे, चाहे डांस हो, भरतनाट्यम, क्लासिकल डांस, वेस्टर्न डांस, स्पेन के डांस. तो ये स्कूल की एक खूबसूरती है. ये स्कूल न केवल एजुकेशन, केवल किताबी ज्ञान पे नहीं ध्यान दे रहा है, ये मोरल हो, बच्चों के टैलेंट. आप लोगों ने, बहुत लोगों ने मॉर्निंग सेशन में देखा होगा, क्लास 3rd और 4th के बच्चे इतना बढ़िया एंकरिंग किए कि रियली काबिले तारीफ है. और इन सब चीज़ों के लिए आप लोग को भी समझ में आ गया होगा कि जो एफर्ट है, लीडरशिप है स्कूल मैनेजमेंट कमेटी का, टीचर्स का लीडरशिप, जो प्रिंसिपल में मैं इनका रियली काबिले तारीफ है. इन्होंने मतलब टायरलेसली एफर्ट दिया है. इसमें इन लोग के लिए बी क्लैपिंग प्लीज. बाकी आप लोग समझते ही हैं बच्चे को कैसे एजुकेशन देना है, क्या है. लेकिन नो डाउट मेरे पास इतना वर्ड नहीं है जो कि आपको पूरा गागर में सागर भर दिया गया है. आपके 2.5 घंटे में पूरे आपके 2.5 साल 3 साल के इसको भर दिया गया है. चलिए, थैंक यू सर फॉर प्रोवाइडिंग मी this opportunity to share my feelings. Thank you. Jai Hind all of you.
We are honored to have parents like you both who recognize our school's achievements. Thank you for your encouragement and support. Thank you so much, Arav Kumar Singh and Rakesh Singh. Thank you so much. Now, as we are moving towards the prize distribution ceremony, let me tell you something. तारे जमीन पर है ये कहना गलत नहीं. हमारे बच्चों ने दिखाया वो किसी से कम नहीं. चाहे हो ओलंपियाड या खेल का मैदान, हर जगह उन्होंने बढ़ाया स्कूल का मान. मेहनत और अनुशासन से जीते ये खेल हर कोशिश में दिखाता है उनका मिल. तालियों की गूंज से भर दिए समा, बच्चों को दे हम सबका प्यार और दुआ. Now, the moment we all have been eagerly waiting for the grand prize distribution ceremony. These awards are more than just symbol of victory. They represent the incredible journey each student has undertaken. Behind every trophy, awards, medals and certificate is a story of dedication, hard work and the belief of our potential. Now, I would like to invite Khushbu ma'am, our school coordinator, to announce the winners' names. So let's begin the ceremony of prize distribution.
Thank you, Mittal ma'am. Good evening, parents, esteemed guests, honorable dignitaries and management members, respected principal ma'am, lovely parents, and all staff members and my dear students. I am delighted to welcome you all to the annual prize distribution ceremony of S.B. Sharma World School. Recognition is the golden key unlocking the treasure chest of human pleasure. It gives me immense pleasure to host this ceremony that has been observed to commemorate the achievement of our students in various fields like education, sports, dance, music, acting, etc. Without taking any more of your time, I, Ms. Khushbu Ardeshna, Academic Coordinator, hereby start declaring the awards. Beforehand, I would request Siv Sagar Sarma